Hello and welcome to my lesson on written multiplication by one-digit numbers. So what I mean by that is, like the example here, we have a one-digit number at the bottom. So if this could be written as 24 times 7 or 7 times 24, doesn't matter which way around it is in multiplication, but we're just putting the one-digit number at the bottom, which makes this method much easier. So here's our first example, and you hopefully already know the answer to what 3/12s are, so this should just confirm it. And what we're going to do is take the digit at the bottom here, and we're going to multiply the ones together. So we've got 3 lots of 2. So 3 lots of 2, 3 times 2 is 6, and we put it underneath the ones column, which is this one here. This is the ones or the units, and this is the tens. So ones there, tens there. And what we do now is we've got 3 lots of 2, but we also need 3 lots of 10. So to do that, we can just do 3 times 1. So 3 times 1, which is actually 3 times 10 because it's in the tens column. So 3 times 10 is 30. 3 times 1 is 3. So we end up with 36. So all we did was we went 3 times 2 and 3 times 1, and we ended up with 36. Let's try that on a different example. So we have, as you can remember, we're going to do the units first, then the tens. So we have 7 times 3, which is 21, and we're going to carry in the same way as we do addition. So the 1 goes in the units and the 20 gets carried across into the tens column. So we carry the two tens go across. And then we have 7 times 6, which is 42, and then we add the 2 on, so we have 44. So it would be the 4 there of the second part of the 44, and then we would carry the 4 across, but we don't actually really need to do that. We can just put the 4 there because there's no more work to do, cross those out. So the answer is 441. And this just carries across, so we can just work across from right to left and we end up with the correct answer. So if we start on the ones, we have 4 times 4, which is 16, and then 4 times 7, so we went 4 times 4, now we're going to do 4 times 7, so 4 times 7, which is 28, plus the 1, don't forget, down at the bottom here, so 29. And then 4 times 3, which is 12, plus the 2, which is 14. So there we go, 1496. And it doesn't matter how big the number is at the top, so that's you could always put this on pause, have a go and see if you get the same answer as me. And here we go, so we're just going to start on the right and work our way across. So we have 3 times 6, which is 18. 3 times 3 is 9, and 1 is 10. 3 times 2 is 6, and 1 is 7. And 3 times 6, which is 18. So we have 18,708. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. Come back soon.